the sea and me. The palm trees sway in a gentle breeze as I lay down and feel the sun's heat. The sand is warm, my toes are buried, and my worries are carried. Yeah, 'cause I love this beach. It's where I belong. It's where I find my love and song.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've just landed at Nauru International Airport. Nauru Airlines welcomes you to our home. The local time here is just approaching 3 p.m. and the temperature outside is warm. For more information about the airline or to make online bookings, you can do this by logging onto our website, nauruair.com. You can also look us up on our other social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. To all our visitors on board, I trust you'll have an enjoyable time here on the island too. And if you're a local, welcome home. And if you're here for work, don't work too hard. On behalf of our captain and all his crew, it's been an absolute pleasure having you on board. And we look forward to doing this all over again next time you're back on board. From all your crew working today, that's it from all of us. Until next time, have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.
I love this beach. It's where I belong. It's where I find my love and song. And just the sand, the sea and me. And just the sand, the sea and me. And just the sand, the sea and me. And just the sand, the sea